Hello everyone, my name is Aris. I am studying at Navy Nursery Primary School. Today I am going to talk about one by constant computer. One by one. This is a printer. This is a keyboard. This is a speaker. This is a mouse. This is a webcam. This is a print.
Pen drive.
Pen drive. This is a CD. This is a monitor. This is a CP. Thank you.